What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new tutorial on Solana. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how to create your own Solana token that you have full custody of, and there's absolutely no restrictions, meaning it's completely customizable. The only restrictions that you have are the restrictions that are on Solana, basically. And we're going to be doing this using Smithii tools. So in this video, we'll be creating a token and then doing other stuff in future videos like creating LPs, doing airdrops. So this video, making the token, is going to be very quick and simple. All you'll need is a Solana wallet. My go-to is Backpack. And then, of course, you'll need some Solana in the Backpack for some transaction fees. And you'll need anywhere between 0.1 and 0.3 Sol for today's video, creating your token. Yeah, so check out the link in the description. It'll take you to the Smithii website. And on the homepage, you can create a launch or create a token. We'll do a launch after. First, we have to create our own token. So let's go here. So I'm just making a token for example purposes. First, you're going to put the name, right? So the name is what's going to show up in the wallets and on different dexes for your token. And then the symbol is the ticker. So, to use Sol for an example, this would be Solana, and then the ticker would be SOL, Sol. So you can put in whatever you'd like. And then the next one is decimals, right? So we're going to use Bonk as an example. You can see Bonk has, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros after the decimal point. So it has 8 decimals. We can just use this as a reference, and then you can see Bonk has 100 trillion total supply, so we can use that as a reference as well. For me, I'm going to do 6 decimals, and then I'm going to do 100 billion token supply. Next part, you're just going to add your image and your description. That's really straightforward. The image is going to show up in wallets, dexes, and different websites like that. The description, I think people mostly look at that on Bird Eye when they're looking at a token on Bird Eye. So make sure you guys fill this in accordingly. And the next part is add social links. So if you put like your Twitter, your website on here, it'll actually show up on SolScan when people look at your token. So I would highly recommend making your Twitter, your website, whatever, at least your website before you actually make the token on here, because I think it's a little challenging to change it from the back end. I'm not even 100% sure if you can. So make sure you have at least one of these made and add that to your token. Okay, here is the last part of the tutorial. It's definitely the most important part. So when you create a Solana token, it can have 3 different authorities, right? So update authority, freeze authority, and mint authority. So whether these are checked is telling whether or not the token creator or you yourself has permission to do certain things with a token. So investors can look at this and kind of gauge how much control you have over the token, and as a result, how likely you are to rug. So let's go over all 3 of these, right? So update authority, that allows you to update token metadata, so that's any data related to the token after the mint. Revoke freeze authority, so freeze authority allows you to freeze token accounts. So if, say, I send you 10 million of my Crane token, it's sitting in your wallet, I can use the freeze authority to actually freeze those tokens in your wallet and not allow them to move in or out. And then the last one is mint authority, so that allows you to mint more supply. So like I mentioned before, we have 100 billion supply. So if I keep that mint authority for myself, any day I can just mint another 100 billion or whatever. So like I said, the more authority you have, the more chances you can rug, and that your holders won't trust you as much. So I would recommend, if you can, get rid of all of these, revoke all of these authorities. If you do want to create a liquidity pool, which you're going to have to 99% of the time for the token that you're making, if you do want to create a liquidity pool on Radium, you're going to have to revoke the freeze and the mint. We're going to create a liquidity pool in the next video, so I would definitely check these 2. And you can see the total fee is 0.3, and we'll just go over, make sure everything's correct, and then create token. Yeah, we'll see it shows up in our Backpack wallet, the transaction, so it's going to cost us just about 0.3 Sol, and then we're going to get that 100 billion Crane tokens in our wallet. So let's hit approve. All right, you can see out at the bottom, success, so we can click check signature. It'll take us to the Solana Explorer. All right, here we are. This is the transaction, so we can just scroll down a little bit. Token, let's click that, and then here we go. Here's the token, Crane on chain. You can see there's a fixed supply, the picture of the monkey here, but it takes a little while for the logo to update on SolScan and on your Backpack wallet as well. If I go open my Backpack wallet here, I should be able to see it in there as well. Yeah, so you can see right there, Crane on chain token. I got the 100 billion. The picture's already loaded, which is fantastic. And now I can do whatever I want with this. Like I said in the next video, we're going to be creating a liquidity pool for it, as well as a launch pad. So it'll be an entire series for you guys to have to create your own token and make an entire project. We'll do it step by step. So I'm really looking forward to make those videos. So definitely look out for them. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching till the end. If you want to see more videos like this related to, Solana DeFi, anything DeFi related, all tutorials, definitely subscribe to my channel. But yeah, if you guys need help with anything from this video or have any suggestions on videos for me to make, please just let me know down in the comments. But yeah, that's all my time. Thank you guys. Take care.